Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and in good health. My channel is knowledge based, so I'm just trying to share the knowledge that I have, and I hope this video will be useful. So I'm just gonna say how to create a Google form. This is just for the beginners, and later on I might go on with other topics too. So before we begin, I request you all to please subscribe to my channel and do like the video. So let's begin now. The first thing that you have to do is you need to log in to your Google account, sign in to your Google account, which I have already done. It is already signed in. So here what you have to do is either you have to press the 9 dots that you can see at the top at the right side corner. You can either press on that and search forms over there at the end when you scroll down, or from the address bar you can just type Google form. So you get different entries there, and in that Google form create, you get go to Google Forms and learn more. You get two options there. So click on go to Google Forms, and over there the first thing that you have to do is click on the blank option. So you get the Google form. Give a title to your form, whether it is a quiz competition, so just write quiz competition, or if it's an question paper, anyhow. So I've just given as a general quiz. It's just for the beginners, so I'm just trying to explain the topic there. So there, just type whatever description you want to give. So I've just written kindly answer the questions carefully and all the best. So you can give any description about, or you can give some guidelines for that quiz or the question paper. After doing this, you have to go to the setting, there select quizzes, and you have to select make this a quiz and save it. And also in general option you have to click limit one response. I will tell you what is the use of that later on. So after doing that, enter your name, which I have given there, the first question. Make sure that you choose it as a short paragraph required. So next I'm directly starting the quiz. So here the first question. What is the name of our galaxy? It's a very simple question, so I'm just trying to give you. So there you have an option called multiple choice, so you have to give options. I've given 4 different options, and the use of giving make this a quiz is that you'll get a topic called answer key at the left corner down. So when you're adding up the options, I've given 4 options. Okay, so over there, after entering the 4 options, you get a left corner answer key. There you can give the points, set the point 1, and choose the correct answer and press done. So the answer is saved. Similarly, create one more question, and the second question that I've given is who is our prime minister? So now I've chosen checkbox. So again I've given 4 options there, and again what you can do is after entering all the 4 options, choose the correct answer and save it, and so that you can just give the point. So I've given 4 options. Then click on the answer key, give 1 point, or according to your question I've given it just 1 point, and then choose the correct answer, that's Narendra Modi, and press done. Similarly, I'll go to the third question. Again I have added 1 more question there. Third question. Now here I will add a picture. You can also add a picture, you can also add a video. You can do that for maths and science. You can science related question answers, you can do that. So I'm just going to name the fruit shown in this picture. It's just a simple one, just for your reference or just to understand better. So once that is done, you have a picture mark there, just click on it, and here you can choose anyhow, whether you have it in your system itself, you can use it, or else go to search Google image. There, search by the name, whatever you want. So I'm just giving an example there. I'm choosing pineapple. So you can get different pictures there. You can choose any. So just click on anything and press insert. So the picture will be inserted here. So again, this picture, it is huge. So the size, you can shrink it down. Okay, you can reduce it. And also, if you click outside this, you get 3 dots there. When you click on it, you can align it. Center, left or right. So I'll keep it on the left, and I'll give again 4 options. I've given it as multiple choice. You can change it to checkbox or drop down anyhow. I've given it as multiple choice itself, and I've given 4 options there. And again, I'm giving the answer key, 1 point, and pineapple. Done. Again, I'll give a one more question, 4th one. Now here, I'll give it as a paragraph. So here the question will be, I'm giving it as a paragraph, so the student must write something there. So the next question, I can just say, state the Newton's third law. You can give it anyhow. If you can, paragraph will be used when you're using questionnaires for science related theories or some laws, and also for maths theorems, because those statements cannot be changed. So you can give a particular this thing, or whether you are using a formula or formulas anyhow. So I'm giving state Newton's third law. So again, over there I give it 2 points, and then I enter the statement, that is, for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. That was the Newton's third law, and it will be. So just enter the answer, correct answer, and then press save. Okay, now again done. Then again I'll give one more question. I'll just add it up, 5 questions. And the last question that I'm gonna give, you can also rearrange the questions, because at the top you can see those in that same questionnaire you can see 6 dots at the center. So you can just click on it and drag upstairs, so it can you can interchange here and there. The last question that I've given, that the earth is a giant magnet, and I've given true or false. So when you write it, you automatically get suggestions there, so you can just click on it also as options. Again, I press the answer key, give it 1 mark, and the statement is true. Done. So I'm done with the questionnaires, the 5 questionnaires. So now how you can send it. So just click on send at the right side, the purple button, you get it over there, and then you get the pin at the middle one. Click on it and shorten URL, because the length of that URL is too huge. So just shorten it and press copy. So your link is copied, and you can just forward it to anyone in your WhatsApp or email anyhow. And the person who gets that link must just click on that link and fill the entire form. So I'll show you how it looks like when a person clicks on the form and how you get it. When you click on a form, this is how you get it. So the person who gets a form, so here I'm going to enter a name just for reference. I can enter just a fake name. So I'm just going to enter Karina. Okay, now I'm going to just answer randomly. I'm not giving the correct answers, I'm just randomly writing it out there. And then I press on submit. So I get an option called view score after I enter. So if I click on it, I'll get the entire score that I have done and what mistakes I have done. Okay. Okay, now similarly, okay, this is one thing. Now in case I press on the same link again, I want to give an answer. Now again, if I use that same link, when I enter here, see, you have already responded. Why? Because it's the same. I can use only once, because in the setting before, when you first started out, here you have written limit to one response. You have already selected it. So in case you remove that and save it and then send the same link, now what happens? A person can enter multiple answers, or I can give more answers. The same one I can give or attend the quiz many times. I have given the same name again, and now if you see, I get two options there. One is view score, that is the normal one. Okay, I get one more option there down, and what's that? Submit another response or new response. Or so here I can use the same name and write it again. Okay, so it's better to limit to one response. So from one email ID only one response will be taken. So in the owner side, that is, if I have created the form and I'm sending it to someone else, then I can get their answers in that responses. So here you can observe I've got the same name 3 times. Okay, now in case I you can also see the summary. In summary, if you see that I have written 3 times, and the 3 times also the name was Karina. So this time I'm going to change the name, and that is, say for example, I've given Tina. Just for example, we'll get the 4 responses there, and now you can see there is 2 options that I've got. One is Karina and the other one is Tina. This is how you get the answers. And also evaluation is easy because it's already set there. If you want to set a time to it, you can use the add-ons at the 3 dots. When you click there, you get an option called add-ons, and over there you have plenty of options. Whichever you want, you can choose, and accordingly you can install it and then use it. So here, this one you have to install it in case you want a timer for your exam, or you can also use the for maths formula, you can also use the math editor. Again, you can, it will be easy for you to insert few of the formulas. So you can use anyhow the add-ons, so it is up to you if you want to use it. But for the basic, this concept is enough. So in case you have any doubts, please comment below. I hope this video was useful, and I hope you all subscribe so that you can also watch many other videos related to learning something new. Thank you, and keep watching.